Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Dodge Ram 3500 SLT. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 5.9-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 150,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.